Question number 6. We want to find the angle for, I'll take this one, is alpha. So sine alpha over 12 equal sine 75 over 15. So sine alpha equal 12 times sine 75 over 15, which is, this is, you can divide by 3, 4 sine 75 over 7 over 5. So alpha equals sine inverse 4 sine 75 over 5, which is 50 points. So this is 50.6. Now I can find this one. Let's say beta equal 180 minus 75 plus 50.6. So this is 54.423 SF. Question number 7a. We want to find x and y. I have a two pair in hand now. I know distance and angle. I know another distance. Because of that, I can find x. So I have two pairs and one unknown. Yes, two pairs. What is it? 5.5 and 7.5. Another one is x and 3.1. One equation, one unknown. So sine x over 349 equals sine 75 over 5.5. So sine x equals 3.9 times sine 75 over 5.5. X equals sine inverse 3.9 sine 75 over 5.5. 43.2 to 3 SF. Then this is 43.2. Now we can find this one. Beta equal 180 minus 43.2 plus 75, which is 61.8. Now I know the angle 61.8. Now I can find y. So y equals sine 61.8 equal 5.5 over sine 75. Y equal sine 61.8 over sine 75. 0.023 significant figures. Part B. When I look at, I have this pair in hand. The length and the angle I know. Then there is a length known data. Then I can find this angle. Yes, when I find this angle, then I can find this angle, and then as a result again I can find y. So now I will take this is alpha. So now task is to find the alpha. So sine alpha equal over 8.5 equal 10.8 over sine 45. So sine alpha equal 10 for, so this is wrong. Sine alpha 8.8 equal sine 45 over 10.8. So sine alpha equal 8.5 times sine 45 over 10.8. Alpha equals sine inverse 8.5 sine 45 over 10.8. This is equal 33.8 approximately. And this one 33.8. Now I can find x. X equal 180 minus 45 plus 33.8, which is 101.82. Now I can find y. I know now x value is 101.2. Now y over in sine rule, y over sine 101.2 equal 10.8 over sine 45y equal 10.8 times cos multiply sine 101.2 over sine 45. So this is approximately 15 cm. This is 100. This is part C, and 20 x 12.27 and my. Now what is the plan? When I look at this one, I can see a known pair I can see. So I have to get the help of this one. Another one known value. I did the incorrect drawing, I think. So this has to be, this is 90 degrees. I draw again. I have a pair in here, known pair, but I can't use because I don't know any other data. Now this approach is not going to work. Now we have to look at anything in this area whether we can do. When I look at this one, this is a right angle. Why? They have given right angle. In this case, sine cos tan theory is going to come. Pythagoras is there. If it is right angle, now I can see, I know this angle adjacent and this is hypotenuse. Then I can write sine 20 equal x over 7 centimeter, and then I can find x. So that is a good approach from ABC triangle. uh, Cos 20 equal x over 7. Adjacent over hypotenuse, x equals 7 cos 20, which is 6.5823 SF. So this is 6.58. Now I can use the sine rule for ADC's triangle. Sine y equal divide by 6 point equal sine 100 equal 12.2. So sine y equal 6.5 times sine 100 over 12.2. So y equal sine inverse 6.58 sine 100 over 12.2 equal 32.07 degrees. Question number D. To apply sine rule, and find x's. So to find x, I need another pair. So If I know this angle, then I can use this 6. But if this is alpha, we can find this one. Alpha equal 180 minus 78. This is going to be 102. So this value is now 102. Now I have one pair and another one, sine x over 5 equal sine 102 over 6. So sine x equal 5 times sine 102 over 6. X equal sine inverse 5 times sine 102 over x. So x equal 54.63 SF. Now this is 54.6 and this is 10. This is 64.6. Now I can find, if I consider this is beta, I can find beta. So my plan is now like this. So I can find this one, then I can find this angle, then y over sine this one equal um, 6 over this one. So this is the plan. So now I need to get this angle beta. Beta mean 180 minus this is 102 plus this is 54.6 and 10, 64.6. So this is 13.4. This is going to be 13.4. Now I know 10, this one and this one. Now I can find gamma. So gamma equal 180 minus 10 plus 13.4, which is 156.6 degrees. So this is going to be 156.6. Now we can put the sign. So y over sine 156.6 equal 6 over sine 13.4. So y equal 6 times sine 156.6 over sine 13.4, which is 10.28. Question E. Two unknown 6 and y. I can see this is 6.4 and 7. Okay, known number. Those two also known number. But this one is belongs to a small triangle. Okay, the two knowns in one in the small as the big both. And if I consider whole triangles, so this is a known data. Then this is the another pair. I can find x. So sine x over 6.4 from bigger triangle AB, from ABC triangle. Sine x over 6.4 equal uh, sine 24 over 7. So sine x equals 6.4 times sine 24 over 7. X equals sine inverse 6.4 sine 24 over 7. So this is going to be 21.8 to 3 significant figures. Now x equals 21.8. Now we can find y and this one and this one and this one from BDC triangle, y over sine 20.08 equals 7 over sine 60. Y equals 7 times sine 21.8 over sine 60, which is answer is 3.001. And what is the plan now? Question number. I have two known pairs and I have two known pairs. Two known pairs and another pair, so I can find x. When I know x, then I can find this angle. Then if I know this angle, I can work out y. So 6.2 divided by this one equals 7.5 this one, then I can find this. And this is add up to 180. So okay, we'll work on this one plan. So BDC. From BDC, uh, sine x over 6.2 equal sine 80 over 8.5. Sine x over 6.2 times sine 80 over 8.5. So x equals sine inverse 6.2 times sine 80 over 8.5. So this is 45.92. So now this is 45.92. Now if this is beta, then I can find beta equal 180 minus 80 plus 45.92, which is 54.08. Now this has become 54.08. Now 7.5 divided by, now I want to find this angle alpha. So sine alpha over 6.8 equal sine 54.08 over 7.5. So sine alpha equal 6.5 times sine 54.08 over 7.5. Alpha equals sine inverse sine 54.7.5, which is 42.03. Now we know this is 42.03. Now this one, and this one add up to 180. In other way, y equal 180 minus 80 plus 50.08 plus 42.03, which is equal 3.89. Question number 8. Town B is 6 km on bearing of 20 from town A. So town A is here. Then I put a dotted line. So this is the measuring line. So I'll measure angle from here 20. So this is 20. So now this is B. Now town C located where is 55. So this is 20 another. So 20, I'll make it smaller. What is this distance? 6 kilometers. So this is going to be B. And C is 55. bearing. So this is 55. So 20, 55 minus 20, 35. It means this is 35. Right, this is C. Now, on the bearing 120 from town B. So this is town B and 120. When you draw this one, this is 120. Now what is the question? Work out the distance from uh, town C from A and B. So we want to find those two distance. Now, we can find this angle first. My plan is I know this distance. This is the only distance I know. Then see whether I can find this angle. What are the possibilities? Yes, I can find this one. 180 minus this is going to be 60. Then I can see those are two parallel lines. This one and two nodes basically. They are parallel lines. So this is a Z angle and this is 20. Then this is total going to be 80. Now I can find this one 180 minus this one. And then I have a pair and then another angle and I can find easily AC and now anything. Now I'll put this this point is P, then ABP angle is 20 as Z angles, and I'll take this is alpha equal 180 minus 120, which is 60. Now beta equal 180 minus 35 plus 80, which is 65. Now I can write AC over sine 80 equals 6 over sine 65. AC equals 6 sine 80 over sine 65 AC, which is 6.52 km to 3 SF. So this is 6.52. Now same as we can work out BC. BC over sine 35 equals 6 over sine 65. So BC equals 6 times sine 35 over sine 65. This is going to be 3.80 kilometer to 3 SF. Question number 9. So what is the plan for this question? This is 5, this is 5, and this is isosceles, this is 43. Then this is 43, 43. I can find 180 minus this one. This is going to be 94. If this is 94, this is going to be 180 minus 90, 90 minus 4. This is 86. Then this is 86, 72. Then I can find this one. So this one also no. So 72 plus 86, 158 minus. So this is 32. Now I can easily find this angle, this length. This I know this pair and this pair, that's enough. And now I know for find CD this pair and this pair, that's enough. Yeah, so this is the line. This angle is alpha. So alpha is 43 as isosceles. Now this is beta. Beta equal, so then this is 43. Beta equal 181 minus 43 plus 43, which is 94. So this is 94 now. Now this is theta. So theta equal 180 minus 94, which is 86. So this is 86. Now this is lambda. So lambda equal 180 minus 72 plus 86. This is going to be 32. 10 minus 8, 2, and this is 7 minus 2. This is actually 22. So this is 22. So let's start work now. This is 5 and AD over sine 94 equal 5 over sine 43. So AD equal 5 times sine 40 94 cross multiply 94 over sine 43, which is 7.31. Now CD over sine 22, CD over sine 22 equal 5 over sine 72. So CD equal 5 times sine 22 over sine 72, which is 1.97 centimeters. Question number 10. What is the plan now? This is 60. This is 136 given. And we want to find this angle. We can find this angle if we know this one and this one. We know when I look at this small triangle, I know this pair. Then I know this distance, then I can find this one, alpha. Same as I know this pair and I can find beta. So alpha plus beta, then we know the angle. Then we want to find AB distance. Now AB distance we can find since we know this one and we angle we can find this one. Now again AB divided by this angle equal 136 divided by 60. So this is the line. We'll work on that now. Alpha beta. So sine alpha over 76 from ADB angle. triangle. Sine alpha over 76 equal sine 60 over 136. Sine alpha equal sine 60 times 76 over 136. Alpha equals sine inverse sine 60 times 76 over 136. This is going to be 30.69. This is 30.69. Now we'll follow the other one. Sine beta over 80 equal sine 98 over sine 136. This is from DBC triangle. Then sine beta equal cross multiply 80 times sine 98 over 136. So beta equal sine inverse 80 times sine 98 over 136. That is 35.62. So this is going to be 35.62. This is 30.69. Now alpha plus beta equal uh, ABC triangle equal 30.69 plus 35.62, which is 66.31. Now we want to find the length of AB. So I will take this is alpha, this is theta. So theta equal 180 minus 60 plus 30.69 minus 89.31. So the 89.31, and so this is going to be 89.31. Now we'll put a sine rule to ADB triangle. So then AB over sine 89.31 equal 76 over sine 30.69. So then AB equals 76 times sine 89.31 over sine 30.69, which is 148.89, approximately 148 or 149. Question number 11. We are given sine y equal 1 over square root 2. So that's a good sign. Sine y over 4 minus x equal sine 30 over x. So sine y over 4 minus x equal sine 30 over x. Sine y mean 1 over square root 2 given. So 1 over square root 2 4 minus x. Sine 30 is half x. So this is going to be 1 over square root 2 4 minus 6 equal 1 over 2x. So we flip this one for the cross multiply. So then 2x equal square root times 4 minus x. This is 2x equals square root 2 times 4 minus the square root x. So I'll bring to here. So 2x plus square root 2x equal 4 square root 2. So I write this one as 4 square root 2 when I take x out. 2 plus square root 2 equal 4 square root 2. 4 square root 2, 2 plus square root 2. Now x equal 4 square root 2 over, when I take a square root 2 out, this is going to be the square root 2 plus 1. Because 2 mean square root 2 times square root 2. When I take a square root 2 out, okay, I will rewrite like this. 4 square root, the square root 2 times square root 2 times square root 2. 2 I wrote square root 2 times square root 2. Now when I take square root out, 1 is remaining. And this is cancel out. 4 over square root 2 plus 1. Now I am rationalizing. This is going to be 4. The square root 2 minus 1. This is the square root 2 square minus 1 square, which is 4 square root 2 minus 1 equal 2 minus 1. So 4 square root 2 minus 1. Question number 12. What is the plan for this sum? Well, we want to find this height. We want to find this height. We can find this height. This is 90. This is 40. 90 plus 40, 130. This whole angle is 150. Sorry, 50. And this is 90, this is 52. So then I can find this angle. 180 minus this one. This is going to be 38. Right? If this is 38, this is going to be 12 because whole has to be 58. Now I can find this length. This one divided by this equal this one divided by this. Then I know this length. Then this is a right angle triangle and I know the hypotenuse and I know the angle. I can find the height. So that is the line. I'll take this is alpha. Alpha equal 180 minus 52 plus 90. 52 plus 90 is 90. So then alpha is going to be 38. Then this is whole angle beta. So beta equal 180 minus 90 plus 40, which is 50. The whole angle is 50. Hence alpha beta gamma. Gamma equal 50 minus 38 equal 12. So now this is 12, 38. Now we can write the sine to find this length. If I put this is x, this length, x over sine 40 equal 15 over sine 12. So x equal 15 sine 40 over sine 12. which is this is going to be 46.37. So this is 46.37. Now if this is h, sine 52 equal h over 46.37. So h equal 46.37 times sine 52. So which is 36.54 meters. The assumption is angle of elevations is measured from the ground level, not from the upper level like this. So it's only from the ground level. So angle of elevation is measured from the ground.